Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to another Arabic lesson on العربية للناشئين كتاب الأول Book 1. Inshallah, in today's lesson, we are going to be looking at the last exercises that are below our first lesson, which is Ta'arufun Introduction. So the next one, here we have an instruction that says ضع علامة صحيح أمام الكلمة التي فيها الحرف. Then we have ba. So this means ضع علامة صحيح means put the correct sign, that is the good sign, أمام الكلمة, in front of the word التي فيها الحرف ba, which contains the letter ba in it. So this is pretty simple. So here we have to select the words that contains the letter ba in them. So the first one, we have as-salam. So there is no ba on this. Abdullah. So here there is ba. So we are going to put the correct sign in front of Abdullah. Then al-maghrib. Andunisiyun. There is no ba. Adnanu, no ba. Abdul Aziz, there is ba, so we'll put good. Then Kuwait, no ba. So in the other side, here we have the letter sin. So here we're going to fetch out the words that contain sin in them. So the first word we have ba simun. So there is sin on this, so we'll put good here. Al-Maghrib, no sin. Pakistaniyun, there is a sin. Abdullah, there is no sin. Sahlan, there is sin. Al-Mudarrisu, there is sin. Thalathatun, there is no sin. So this is how to do this exercise. So now let's proceed to the next one. So the next one, here we also have an instruction that says ضع خطا. That means put a line تحت كل كلمة مماثلة, below each similar word. ضع خطا, put a line تحت كل كلمة مماثلة, below every similar word. So here we have as-salam. So we have alaykum, ustad, as-salam, sahlan, and as-salam. So here we have as-salam here and also as-salam. So we put a line below these two words. So this is a little bit very simple. Then number two, we have hada, which is this. So the first one we have huwa, he, ahlan, hello, hada, these. So we'll put a line below this because we already have a similar one. Then ahlan, hello, also put a line below it. Hada, these, also put a line below this. So this is pretty simple. So the next one, here we have an instruction that says اكتب رقم الكلمة المناسبة في الفراغ. This means اكتب, write, رقم الكلمة المناسبة, the number of the suitable word, في الفراغ, in the empty space. اكتب رقم الكلمة المناسبة في الفراغ, write the number of the suitable word in the empty space. So here we are provided with an incomplete phrase, which we are going to select the most suitable one from the below options. So we have Abdullah, and the suitable one is Tilmidun. Abdullahi Tilmidun, that is Abdullah is a student. So this one is already done for us. So the second one we have Basimun Tilmidun, then we have a circle. So the most suitable one is number 3, which is Andunisiyun. Basimun Tilmidun Andunisiyun. Basim is an Indonesian student. So this is how to do this. So now let's proceed to the next one and also the last exercise on the first lesson, Ta'aruf, introduction. So here we have sil bayna ibaratil majmu'ati alif. This means connect between the expressions in group alif wama yunasibuha, and the ones that suit them من عبارات المجموعة با, from the expressions in group ba. So here we are provided with some set of words in group Alif and some other ones in group B. So what we are going to do is to select the one that suits them from group Ba. So number one, we have Al-Ustadhu, that is the teacher. So the most suitable one from section B is Pakistaniyun, that is Al-Ustadhu Pakistaniyun. The teacher is a Pakistani. So number two, we have Basimun. So the most suitable one from section B is Basimun Tilmidun Indonesiyun. Basim is an Indonesian student. Number three, we have Ahlan Ahmad. Hello Ahmad. Ahlan wa sahlan Hasanun. Hi or welcome Hassan. Number four, and the last one, we have Assalamu alaikum. That is, may the peace be upon you. Then, wa alaykum assalam, and may the peace be upon you too. So this is the end of the exercises on our first lesson, which is Ta'arufun introduction. And inshallah, here we're going to stop our lesson today. We hope we enjoy the lesson. See you in the next one. Ma'as salamati. Ila liqa.